Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use diving gear in an environment with fish. First, let's talk about your essential equipment. A good mask is crucial for clear vision, allowing you to observe marine life up close. Fins help you move effortlessly through the water, conserving energy. Your buoyancy control device, or BCD, is key for maintaining neutral buoyancy, letting you hover weightlessly. Finally, your regulator provides the air you breathe, making every dive comfortable and safe. Before entering the water, a thorough gear check is vital for safety and enjoyment. Always inspect your mask for a proper seal. A leaky mask can ruin a dive. Ensure your fins are secure but not too tight, allowing for comfortable movement. Test your BCD to confirm it inflates and deflates smoothly, giving you control over your depth. Finally, check your regulator and pressure gauge to ensure a reliable air supply for your underwater adventure. Once underwater, your technique greatly impacts your experience and the marine environment. Strive for neutral buoyancy to float effortlessly, protecting delicate corals and avoiding stirring up sediment. Move with slow, deliberate motions to approach fish gently, allowing for closer observation. Always maintain a respectful distance, typically 2 to 3 feet, to avoid stressing marine life. Remember to use clear hand signals to communicate effectively with your dive partner. After your dive, proper gear care and safety practices are essential for longevity and future enjoyment. Rinse all your equipment with fresh water to remove salt and sand, preventing corrosion. Allow everything to air dry completely in a shaded area before storing it. Keep your gear in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve materials. Always log your dives, noting observations, and consistently review safety protocols for every underwater exploration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.